Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, iPhone 16e, and now I'm gonna show you all ways to reset your smartphone. So there are several types of reset. So the hard reset, it's when you just losing all your data from your iPhone, when you're restoring your factory settings, or just force restart when you restarting your device to reset bugs and logs from your iPhone. For example, in cases when touchscreen does not respond, and we have a new phone, sometimes it happens. Okay, so how to force restart your device? Just press volume up, volume down, press and hold power button till you see Apple logo on your screen. Cool, that's it. Now you can release power button or side button and wait till system loads. Okay, the second method to reset your device. As a second method, I'll show you the factory reset. We need factory reset in case, for example, when we want to restore factory settings, or when we want to prepare our device for sale, for example. And to do that, just open Settings, and in Settings find General. Then in General scroll down, find Transfer or Reset Phone, and click Erase all content and settings. Click Continue, erase iPhone. It will ask you about your password firstly, then it will ask you about your Apple ID, so you should enter your Apple ID, login and password. And after that, it will factory restore. It will restore factory settings on your iPhone, and you can transfer your phone to new owner. The way when you don't remember your password is reset from recovery mode. Reset using recovery mode. And now I'm going to show you how to restore your settings using recovery. So, to factory restore all settings, you should have one of these applications. This original Apple devices application, you can find it in Microsoft Store. If you use Windows, just open Microsoft Store, find your Apple devices. Here you have this application and just download it. iTunes application is not working, so you should use this app. Okay, cool. The second way to do it is 3utils application. You can download it from 3utils.com website, and you can restore factory settings using this application too. But firstly, you should put your iPhone to the recovery mode. And how can we do that? To do that, first, of course, you should connect your iPhone to your computer with the USB cable, and then just press volume up, volume down, and press and hold side button. Press side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Cool. Wait a while, and as you can see in my 3utils, as in Apple devices application, we have the notification that iPhone in recovery mode detected. And for example, on Apple devices application, I'm going to show you how it looks in original app. we just can click restore phone. So as you can see, iPhone recovery mode to update your phone without erasing its content. Click update to restore your phone to its factory settings. Click restore iPhone. So click restore iPhone and then click restore and update. It always asks to update your system even if you have the latest update. So firstly, it will download the latest software version, then it will flash your device using this latest version from Apple servers. If you have poor internet connection or you don't want to flash your device to the latest version, you can use TrueTools app, because in this way you can select the version of OS you want to flash, or you can just flash without selecting the OS version. So you can select local firmware or something about it. So this is maybe faster and easier, but if you want to use official applications, so just use Apple devices. And here just click flash. If you want to see the full video with the full process how to reset smartphone, so you can find this video in our channel. Then you just can exit from recovery mode. To do that, press volume up, volume down, power button, wait a while, and cool, that's it. So guys, hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, leave me a like, leave a comment below, and bye, see you.